Let's do the spark plug on this 2019 Chevy Equinox with the 2-liter engine. It is the same procedure on the Malibu with the 2-liter and the GMC Terrain. Let's start by removing our oil cap, and using a T30 Torx bit, remove the engine cover. There's 3 of them. There you go. Let's put the oil cap back on. Now we're going to blow off the dirt and debris near the spark plug so they don't fall off inside the engine. Using a pick like this or a flat-blade screwdriver, let's disengage the ignition coils by pushing the red tab out, and we're going to unplug it. You squeeze it and you pull it at the same time. Now using a 10mm, let's remove the ignition coils. Let's take them out. Make sure you inspect them for cracks or if they have liquid on them. Those work perfectly fine. This vehicle only has 60,000 miles. The customer came in to replace them. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket, let's loosen those spark plugs. I just speed up the process. Use the old spark plug, and we're going to remove the other 3. I'm gonna use my electric ratchet here to loosen the spark plug completely to speed up the process. Now let's put the new spark plug in. You don't have to use any entices. Those spark plugs come from the factory with protection on them, so it is not necessary at all. You take them out of the box, put them in the engine. You start them by hand, and I'm going to use, if you don't have a torque wrench, you can use a 3/8 ratchet and hold it on top and turn it, and don't over tight it. You will not over tight it doing it that way, because those spark plugs they don't have to be that tight anyway. The torque spec is not that high. There it is. Now we're going to put the ignition coil back in. Let's plug everything back in. Make sure you engage the red tab when you're done, like I'm doing here. Let's take the oil cap back off, and we're going to install our engine cover. And that's about it, guys. This is a very easy job, straightforward, no gimmicks. You don't start the vehicle, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.